Do you remember this? Following the huge success of last season's campaign, Kit for Kids is back. This is an opportunity to nominate a team you think is deserving of a brand new kit, courtesy of Eden Tyres and Servicing. We went back to visit the winners from last season, Kilburn Youth Spartans, to see what the kit meant to them.
Hi, I'm Mark. I'm the head coach for Kilburn Youth Spartans, and we were the 2018-19 Kit for Kids campaign winners, sponsored by Eden Tyres and Servicing. For the club itself, it put us on the map a little bit, because obviously the media exposure we got, and the kit, it just went down a dream with them. It's a great initiative. The initiative's fantastic, and I wish whoever's applying for next year's all the very best, because it's a fantastic thing to win. It's just a fantastic accolade, it really is. We can't thank Eden Tyres Servicing enough for that.
So, if you have an under-7s to under-12s Derbyshire junior football team in mind that you would like to nominate, then this is the time to enter. All you have to do is visit dcfc.co.uk, click on Fans tab, click on Kit for Kids. The closing date is on the 31st of January 2020 at midnight. So, what are you waiting for? Enter now.